If you think you can't learn English because you live in a village and you don't have English speaking environment, then this video is for you, my friend. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Muleshwari and I am from Chhattisgarh state. And friends, this video I'm going to share some English learning tips and that will help you to improve your English. So watch this video till the end. Friends, as you know, I live in a very small village and I'm also learning English like you. And apart from learning English, I have to do a lot of work in our field because I am a daughter of a farmer. And it's not like that only for making blog. I am just working and sewing. Like since my childhood I'm working, I'm helping my father, and I don't have a brother, and I really proud to be a daughter of a farmer, and I really like to help my father. And see how I manage my time while working in the field. Whenever I get time, like when we take rest, at that time I do reading practice. Can you believe, guys? Every day whenever I go field, I take a pen and coffee with me, and there I do shadowing practice. Sometimes I do reading practice, and this is how I manage my time. And while working in the field, I listen podcast and I try to describe the things. As you know, guys, whatever I do, wherever I go, I just try to describe in English. And while describing, I learn a lot, and I get confidence. Sometimes I don't get exact vocabulary, so I use Hindi, then later I search on Google or ChatGPT, then later I again try to describe the things. So in this way I'm learning new vocabularies, and that's helping me a lot. And to be honest, my friends, you can do the same things. And friends, you don't need perfect environment, you just need consistent practice. Consistency is the key to success. As you can see, I do practice every day. I know it's been a long, I'm not able to upload long videos on my YouTube channel, but I'm trying to upload short videos because I get little time, so at that time I just try to describe the things and I upload. And nowadays again I will try to upload long videos, and I will try to manage my time, my friends. Don't think too much about your mistake, and don't try to speak perfect English. Just try to speak broken English, like whatever you know. If you are not getting anything, then just use your mother tongue, and later again search on Google, then you can correct your mistake, right? So in this way you can learn. And if you are making mistake, then it's okay. Mistakes are the proof that you are learning some things, and I never care about my mistake, but yeah, I try to rectify my mistake, then I try to correct, and next time whenever I speak, I try to speak correct English. So you can do that too. Remember, if you're thinking that if you are making mistake then people will laugh at you, then you are making big mistake. If you think too much about people, then you can't do anything. And in the beginning I used to think like that, but not much. I realized early, and then I started speaking in front of my family members, in front of everyone, even village. Now I get a lot of confidence. Friends, start with basic English like hi, hello, how are you, and this will give you confidence. And try to listen a lot, because I have told you many times, I learned so many things from listening, and listening helped me to start speaking. Because same video I used to listen multiple times, and whenever I was listening, I used to feel like that I can speak English. So later I started describing the things, and whenever I was listening, I used to feel that I can speak English. So later I used to tell whatever I was listening from YouTube's. I used to tell my friends, and I used to tell stories, because I used to listen stories a lot, fairy tales. And to be honest, in the beginning I used to listen only simple English, basic English. I followed some teachers who teach Hindi to English, because I was not getting like only English. It was really hard for me, but I improve with daily practice. So you can also improve your English with daily practice. Remember, consistency is a key to achieve anything, no matter what, like whatever you are learning. It can be related to your study, it can be related to any language. You can learn with daily practice. And I hope you like this video, and if you learn something new from this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.